Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking a trustworthy VPN provider and creating an account. Choose one with a clear no-logs policy and acceptable speeds. Once done, install the correct app for your device, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, or iOS, and sign in using the credentials you saved. Make sure to allow required permissions like network access. This gets the app ready to configure and avoids wasting time later on compatibility issues or missing credentials that block connection attempts. You now configure the app for both security and performance. First, pick a protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for proven compatibility. Adjust if your network blocks one. Then enable Kill Switch and auto-connect so traffic stops if the VPN drops, and set split tunneling only for apps you want outside the tunnel. Next, choose a server, a nearby one for lower latency, or a specific country if you need geo-unblocking or stronger privacy. Test by checking your visible IP address and basic site access. You finish by verifying privacy protections and performance. Check for IP and DNS leaks and run a speed test to confirm acceptable throughput. If a site is blocked or the VPN won't connect, switch protocol or server, restart the app or your device, and try again. These quick steps solve most issues. If problems persist, export diagnostics and contact support, and make sure you keep the VPN app updated for security patches and bug fixes, so future connections remain stable and private.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.